Once upon a time, in a quiet little village at the edge of an enchanted forest, there lived a kind and curious boy named Leo. Every night, Leo would gaze out of his window, wondering about the mysteries that lay beyond the trees. One evening, as the moon shone brightly, Leo heard a soft, melodic humming coming from the forest. His curiosity got the best of him, so he put on his warm cloak and tiptoed out of the house, determined to find the source of the beautiful sound. As he entered the forest, the air was cool, and the leaves sparkled under the moonlight. The humming grew louder, and soon Leo came upon a small, glowing pond. Sitting by the edge was a tiny fairy named Lila, her wings shimmering in the moonlight as she sang softly to the stars. "Hello," Leo said quietly, not wanting to startle her. "Your song is beautiful." Lila looked up, smiling warmly. "Thank you," she replied. "I sing to help the forest creatures sleep peacefully under the moon." Leo sat beside her, listening to the gentle hum of the forest. "Do you ever get tired of singing?" he asked. "Not at all," Lila said with a twinkle in her eye. "You see, when I sing, I send dreams to all the creatures who hear me. I sing them stories of adventure, kindness, and magic, so their dreams are filled with joy." Intrigued, Leo asked, "Could you sing a dream for me?" Lila nodded, her wings fluttering softly as she began to sing again. The melody was light and soothing, and as Leo closed his eyes, he felt himself drifting into a dream. In his dream, Leo was flying on the back of a giant golden eagle, soaring high above the clouds. Below, he could see the entire village and the magical forest stretching far beyond the horizon. He flew over crystal-clear lakes and towering mountains, meeting friendly creatures and exploring secret, enchanted places. When Leo finally opened his eyes, he was back by the glowing pond, but now the moon was setting, and the forest was still and quiet. "Thank you, Lila," Leo whispered. "That was the most wonderful dream I've ever had." Lila smiled again. "The best dreams come to those with kind hearts like yours, Leo. Now, it's time for you to go back home and rest." Leo nodded, feeling peaceful and happy. He waved goodbye to Lila and made his way back through the forest. As he climbed into bed, he knew that whenever he needed a magical dream, the forest and the kind fairy would be waiting for him. And with that thought, Leo drifted off to sleep, his dreams filled with adventure, kindness, and a little bit of magic.